Look at a plus b plus c whole cube that before, and we'll use materials to do that. So before we look at the cube, we can look at squares. So if you look at this Montessori material, you have, let's say, A. So you have a square of A. This is A, this is B, this is C. So this is A plus B plus C. This is A plus B plus C, the full length. This is A plus B plus C whole square, that has A square, B square, C square, and then of course you have A, B, 2A, this is 2AB, then 2AC and 2BC. So that's basically A plus B plus C whole square. Then we are multiplying A plus B plus C whole square with A plus B plus C, right? So visually that's quite interesting, because that means you are doing, so we have of course A plus B plus C plus A plus B plus C whole square, which we just saw. So what this means visually is that we have the same A plus B plus C whole square, and we have three layers. The first layer is the height of A, right? Remember, the height of A, then the height of B, and then the height of C. So if you look at the 3D, so you can see it will always look like the A plus B plus C whole square. But if I open it up and I see, well, it's very nice and symmetric, you see? Yeah. And so what you see is the first is the height of C, which is the smallest height. And there's a layer with the height of C, then there's a layer with the height of B, and then there's a layer with the height of A. And it's a very nice puzzle or game for children to put together. So there are 9 pieces in each sort of floor. There are 3 floors, so there are 27 pieces. And the good thing about it is that it is sort of color coded. So the yellows will sort of run through, right? If it's a black, then the blacks will be the same. So the yellows basically represent that it's a C square, right? So this whole row will have C square, because this is C cube sitting here and the height is C. So you're going to get C squares here, you're going to get C squares here. So you're going to get all these sort of expected C squares here, but also because of the height, you're going to also get more C squares with the same 2 heights. Because you are going to do, so you're going to get 3 of those, you see. 2 from here, 1 from the height, which makes sense. And then if you look at the b cube that's here, that's going to result in this b square, and that's going to result in another b square. But similarly, it's going to result in a b square here and here. See? So not just the 2 pieces that were in one layer, there will be 3 of each kind. So there will be 3 of these, and then of course be 6 of these. So we'll look at it. This is the ABC, it's mixed up, right? So this one is going to be this height is, remember, A, and I have a B square. So similar to the 3 pieces here, you're going to have 3 of these as well. You're going to have this one, you're going to have this one, and you're going to have the one that is under it. This one. So through exploration, the children can themselves come up with the idea that this kind of piece and this kind of piece would be there here, 2 more pieces would be here, right? It's a little outside, okay. And then there will be 2 more pieces like that as well. So there will be 3 of each of these, b square times c, b square times a, and of course there's a b cube, and all the fillers are going to be the ABCs. So children can count for themselves that there are 6 of the ABCs and there are 3 of each of the others. Okay, so the expression, of course we may not write it like this if you want to use the 3's and 6's in that specific order, increasing to 3's and then decreasing down. But anyway, so you have a cube, b cube, c cube, and you have 3 of each of the things that will get created because of the a's. So if you have the a square with c and you have the a square with b, you have 3 of these and you have 3 of those. So you have that. Then you have, if you the b squares, then you're going to have the b squares with c, and then you're going to have the b squares with a, 3 of them. And then if you have the c squares, you'll have the c square along with b, and then you'll have the c square along with c. And then of course you have these, just the black pieces, 6 of them are there, so that is 6 ABC.